Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're with Dean Fowell. If you're new around here, Engineers HubSpot is for everybody where we can learn and show different software and show you mainly how to use and learn CAD CAM, right? So make sure you like and subscribe, leave your questions in the comments below, that way we can create more videos for you guys. I'll catch you in a minute after this break. Alright, welcome back. Let's get started. So today I wanted to run you through a couple of things here in RADAN on the nesting. I know a lot of us are trying to save a lot of material this time of year to get the most out of our machine, our sheet utilization, bring all that stuff down. And sometimes we have customers who bring us sheets that they want to use, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sheet remnant that somebody brought in. I'm going to show you how to do it. So here you can see I'm in my nesting. I've got some parts I want to nest for a customer. I'm actually going to jump over and go to 2D CAD. In 2D CAD is where I'm going to create my sheet. So Joe Bloggs brings in a sheet, I measure it, I've drawn a little napkin of the dimensions, so I'm going to draw it in here. First off, I'm going to start and create a pattern for this. So I go create new pattern, and we're going to call this layout, and we're going to do another / there and sheet, and hit OK. Right, so now you can see I'm in my 2D CAD where I can pick up shapes and change shapes and do many other things. I'm going to select a shape, and we'll just do a rectangle, and I'm going to go 96.0, 48.0, and there's my sheet. So there we go. Now I've still got this on my cursor. Just some housekeeping rules here, or a tip. You can cancel that by hitting cancel cursor object and we're good to go, or it'll be cancelled when you hit the next operation in the side menu. Okay, so go ahead, we've got this. I'm actually going to come in here and go lines, and we have unconnected and connected. I'm going to use connected because I'm just going to go here like this, like this. Right, and I'm going to do partial delete, get rid of this, rid of this, rid of this. Right, so there's my remnant the customer brought in. I'm actually going to save it, file, save drawing, and I'm just going to save it in here. Right, save it. Now if I go over here and go to nest, you can see here's my sheet. I'm actually going to go in here and do edit sheet properties because I want to save some characteristics to this sheet. So change material. The parts I'm cutting down here is CRS 060, so I'm going to change this CRS, and we'll change this to 060, and OK. Number of sheets, if I have 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, I'm just going to say I have 1, hit OK, file, save drawing, and we'll save it in here. Yes, replace what I did. Right, so now I just clear the screen. Yep. Right, so here we've got my parts that I want to nest. So here we've got our sheets. We can do our standard sheets, right? Or we can go to remnants to use sheets, and you can see I've got a remnant folder and it's looking for it, and here's my sheets. We can actually change the view of those, right? So that's the one I just did. So I can actually come up here, and I'm actually just going to drag that in there. Hit OK. Right, and we're going to use this sheet. and I can actually, if I wanted to, you can drag and drop these parts around here. Okay, or do this, fill sheet. There we go. Oh, I actually got one more extra part, so I've overproduced it. That's why it gives me the warning. Right, and then we jump over into profiling, then we can run our tooling, and we should be good. And then we can sequence that. So that's how you save a remnant, save a sheet or a custom sheet, and then be able to pull it back in, right? So thanks for watching, guys. This was just a quick video. See you out there. Be safe. Remember, like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and we'll answer all your questions. Have a great day.